Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by eliminating wireless lag. Plug the controller into USB and use a short, shielded cable to reduce noise. Next, open the controller utility or Windows device settings and set polling to 1000 Hz if supported, because higher polling lowers input interval. Once done, close overlays and remapping software that intercept inputs. They add processing ticks. Make sure USB ports aren't shared with hubs or drives, and prefer a direct motherboard port to avoid extra latency. Continue by adjusting Windows power and USB behavior. Disable USB selective suspend and turn off power saving for human interface devices because sleep cycles introduce delays. Then, move the controller to a USB 2.0 port or a rear motherboard header. Some controllers debounce worse on USB 3.0. After that, update the controller firmware and install the latest HID/USB drivers so the device and OS communicate without legacy fallback. To finish, open the game and enable raw input or controller-exclusive mode so input bypasses extra layers. This reduces software-induced buffering. Then calibrate and lower the dead zone in-game while testing using a simple latency or input viewer to confirm improvement. If delay persists, make sure to test the controller on a different PC and swap cables. If the problem follows the controller, firmware or hardware is likely the culprit. If it doesn't, revisit drivers and USB port placement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.